Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn second standard English subject second number lesson activity time. Now here is the two charts. See here the card, pink card and blue card. Now in this pink card there is five letter A, E, I, O, U, and in this blue card there is which letter? C, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, in this pink card there is the five letters which A, E, I, O, U. They are the vowels, and in this blue cards letters are the consonant. Okay, now listen which game we play here. Now you and your friend play here one game. Okay, first close your eyes. Now one of you put your finger on any letter on the blue card. Now here is the blue card. See, I keep here the finger on, then which letter? Okay, B letter. Which letter? B letter. Now your partner will put the finger on any letter on the pink card. Okay, now listen, your partner put the finger on which letter? A letter. Open your eyes. Now each one of you has one letter of the alphabet. Okay, you take any letter of alphabet. Each pair has two letters. Write as many words as you can which have both the letters you picked. Okay, you are making some words. Okay, now here is the which you put, then which letter? B letter, and your friends put the finger on which letter? A. So you are making some words. Okay, in this activity. Now listen, then which letter you put the finger? B, and your friend put the finger on A letter. So you are make word, then which are word you are making? B-A-T, bat. Okay, yeah, B-A-L-L, ball. Okay, that time you make some words in this activity. Okay, now listen here, see, here is some words you are making. Okay, you keep, yeah, put the finger on yes letter, and your friend put the finger on I letter. So you are making then which word? Sit. S-I-T, sit. Yeah, your friend put the finger on I letter and you put the finger on S letter. You are making which word? I-S, is. Okay, that time you are making some words. Now listen, here is the some words in your textbook. See which? G-O-A-T, goat. Now where is the G? G-O-A-T, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Then F-R-O-G, frog. Where is F? F-R-O-G, frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Okay, see the next word. T-A-L-L, tall. T-A-L-L, tall. T-A-L-L, tall. Okay, that types you are making some words in this activity. Okay, so what you do? You are making some words and write in your notebook and send me photos in our second standard group. Okay, do you understand now this activity? Okay, you do this activity in your home. Okay, see then next activity. See in your textbook. Now listen. Here is the teacher. Okay, here is the teacher and student. In this activity, the teacher and one student standing near the blackboard and other student sat on the sit on benches. Okay, now listen, this teacher asked some questions to the student and student give the these questions answer. Now listen, see here. Teacher, good morning children. Then children reply what? Good morning teacher. Okay teacher, what is your name? Now listen, in this standard one student tell his give the answer, my name is Teja. Okay, now listen, I write here question. What is your name? Okay, now listen. What is your name? I ask you. Okay, this question. Now you tell me. Now listen. In this class, student tell these questions answer. Then my name is Teja. Okay, in this class, student name is one student name is what? Tejal. My name is Tejal. Okay, now listen. Then teacher asks. Then other question to the student. What is the first letter of your name? What is the first letter of your name? What is the first letter of your name? Okay, these standards, this class, student tell the answer what? My name is Tej. Now listen, what is the first letter of, okay, these students name? Tino. And now listen, see, what is the first letter of your names? Okay, now listen, in this class, student tells answer, my name is Tejal. So his first letter is what? T. His name's first letter is which? T. Okay, now listen, see then next question. Third number. What is the last letter of your name? What is the last letter of your name? Okay, his name was Tejal, no? So his last name's letter which? L. His name's last letter which? L. And you see yours name's last letter. Okay, student. Now listen. How many letters are there in your name? Now teacher asked then another question. How many? How many letters are there in your name? Okay, now listen. His name was what? Tejal, no? Name is Tejal, no? Tejal. Okay, now listen. How many letters? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many letters his names? 5. And see your names. See your name letters. Okay. Now listen. Here is the Tejal's name. How many letters? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now teacher asks then other question. See. Tell any word that begins with the first letter of your name. Tell any word that begins with first letter of your name. Okay, now listen. In this class, student name is what? Tejal. Okay. Now, tell any word that begins with first letter of your name. Then teacher asks, okay, this question to then we student Tejals. Now listen, he give the answer what? Tiger. Okay, his name startings letters. Which letter? Which letters? Your words make tiger. Begins with the first letter of your names. Okay, his names begins letters starting which he tell the answer tiger. Now listen. Then teacher tell to Tejal begins with the first letter of your name. Okay, begins with the first letter of your names. So he give the answer what tiger. Okay, now listen. See. Okay, begins with your names letters. First letters. Any word. Okay, my name is Sujata. Okay, so my letters first begins letter. Which words? Make sun. Okay, then soon, then sad. Okay, that type your name starting begins. Then which words are making C? Now listen, in this activity, okay, you see. You see, imagine you are sitting in second standard and your teacher asked to you question. Then which question? What is your name? Okay, you know answer. Okay, I give this question's answer. My name is Seema. Okay, my name is Seema. Okay, now listen. Then second question ask. Then your teacher, what is the first letter of your name? Okay, now listen here. First letter of my name is what? Yes. Now listen, see. Your name's first letter which? Okay. Now listen, what is the last letter of your name? Okay, my last letter of my name is what? A. Now you see what is the last letter of your name? How many letters are there in your name? Okay, now listen. Here we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there is the 5 letters in my names. Okay, now you see how many letters in your name. Name spellings. Okay. Tell any word that begins with the first letter of your name. Okay. Now listen here. My name's first letter begins which first letter is yes, no? Then begins with which letters making? Then sun. Then star. Then seed. Then soon. Sugar. Now you see, your begins the first letters of your names. Okay, which letters, yeah, which words begins with your names. Do you understand now this activity? Now listen in this first activity. Okay, now here is the pink card, and here is the blue card. Okay, here is the pink card and here is the blue card. Now listen, in this pink card letters A, E, I, O, U. And now listen, in this pink card there is how many letters? 21. Okay, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z. Okay, they are the consonant, and in the pink cards they are the vowels. Okay, now listen, which game you play? You close your eyes and now put your finger on any letter on the blue cards. Okay, you put the finger on blue card, and now your partner will put the finger on any letter on the pink card. Okay, now listen, you open your eyes. Now each of you has one letter of the alphabet and each pair has 2 letters. Okay, now listen, you put the finger on which letter? Yes. And your friend put the finger on O letter. So which letters are making? Yes, O. So write as many words as you can which have both the letters you picked. Okay, now listen, you are picking now some letters and you are make some words. Okay, you write this some words in your notebook and send me the photo on second standard group. Do you understand now first activity? Now listen, second activity. See, second activity. Okay, you are imagining you are in the second standard class and your teacher, English teacher, asks to you question, what is your name? You give the answer, my name is Tejal. Okay, now listen, then your teacher asks the question, what is the first letter of your name? Okay, now listen, you give the answer, no? What is the letter of your first letter of your name, no? Now listen, here is the then student tell the answer what? His name is Tejal and his first letter of his name is what? T. And what is the last letter of his name's last letter which? L. And how many letters are there in your name? Then teacher asks the question to this student, how many letters? Okay, in his name. Now listen, here is the how many letters? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is the 5 letters. Okay, 5 letters. He give the answer. His names. How many letters? 5 letters. Okay, now listen. Then teacher asks the question. Tell any word that begins with the first letter of your name. Okay, now listen. Here names begins which letter? T, no? And which letter of his name begins with which letter? T. Tell any word. Okay, so he give the answer tiger. Now listen, you see your names begins with letter, you tell any word. Means you understand now the second number activity. Okay, write these questions. answer in your notebook and send me the photo on second standard group. Thank you.